Guys, welcome back to my channel. We have proceeded to second year successfully, and today I thought that I would make a good video long format if my home gets settled, but it रहने दो, वो नहीं हो रहा है settle, अगला उसको 1-2 weeks लगेंगे. So right now we're in first lecture, and I don't know what lecture is this, but yeah, I'll show you throughout the day. It's literally 12 p.m. right now, and we have 3 lectures. The day will end at 7 p.m. Wow. So yeah, I'll just take you along, and I sometimes feel I don't want to do MBA anymore.
हम तीनों ही हैं इस ग्रुप में.
This is what happens when you are extremely unserious.
हो सकता. Hi guys, welcome back to Vee's channel. Today is the first lecture of second year. Not the first, but
बस
कौन सा lecture है?
ग्रुप ही नहीं बना है. Let's go. राशि से हाय. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? मैंने आपको मेरे ग्रुप में आने दिया.
I am very blessed to be here. I'm waiting for the next reel.
अभिषेक
Center box.
हाथ भी नहीं पहुंच रहा. अभिषेक रील नहीं है तो यूट्यूब पे जाएगा. अभिषेक आप फेमस हो जाओगे. We are trying to do simulation, but it's just not happening. Sir has gotten some very bad link, and yeah.
Doomed in this university, you know that.
Exactly. छोड़ दे MBA. मैं तो छोड़ दूंगी.
Just in few years you'll getting married, so don't worry about that.
चल रहा है.
अच्छा आज का फोटो क्या है?
Like अब हम जाएंगे खाना खाने. Course. Why not?
इनको कोई दोस्ती का मतलब बताओ क्या होती है?
अच्छा.
चाबी?
Bye.
अनूप घर पे.
I'll see you once we are done with lunch.
आलू पूछेगी आलू. आलू जैसी हो गई है.
रोटी सब ठूसूंगी जो भी होगा.
हमारा machine is a hospital business. I can use that particular part for other purpose, right? And I can
97% water है.
so cap.
We are done with our second lecture, and we are just roaming around because we have another lecture, and we are waiting for our friends to end their lectures. That also help you to plan those boundaries around. My God, what a view! Finally, we are out of the cage, going home. Let's go, guys. I'm back home, and I want to tell you that sometimes I feel I want to cancel this admission, get back home. As soon as Navratri starts coming closer, no? I want to leave the whole world. I want to go back to Surat. I just want to play Garba 9 days straight. There's something between me and Garba. Like, there's surely something. मुझे ऐसा लगता है I should make my career in that. MBA क्या है? I'll be happy. और मैं ना मेरी happiness बयां नहीं कर सकती. गरबा खेलते टाइम पे, नवरात्रि के टाइम पे. ये सिर्फ बोलने की बातें नहीं है. मैं genuinely ना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती. मेरे दिल की खुशी छप्पर तोड़ होती है. All in all, if you're doing an MBA, all the best. It demands a lot of finance it demands, a lot of mental stress it demands, a lot of sacrifice it demands. Tired, honestly. I don't like. मतलब I love Mumbai, but I don't want to live here. This is not a city where I can live. Like मेरा सपना है कि फार्म हाउस हो, साथ में कैटल हो, गाय हो मेरे पास. ये है मेरी लाइफ. ठीक है. इसमें मुझे 2 पैसे कम मिलेंगे. I'll be happy. बट मुझे वो चाहिए. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. मुझे इतने ज्यादा तुम भले मेरे को लाख रुपए भी दे दो एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ. वॉट. नहीं तो मुझे तो एंग्जाइटी होने लगती है. ऐसे दिमाग ऐसे हो जाता है. Anyways, I'll go have my dinner, and then I'll go to sleep, and then tomorrow we don't have any classes. Tomorrow I'm going to a cafe where I've been invited to eat. तो ये तो kind of मेरा सपना था. I love this because I can just be myself. I can speak, and it is in real time. Instagram पे इतनी editing करनी पड़ती है. वहाँ पे तो मेरा लॉस ही जा रहा है. एकदम ऐसे डाउनफॉल ही जा रही हूँ मैं. Since past so many time. In fact, since past year. But it's okay. इतना मैं दिल पे नहीं लेती. But I genuinely love, doing this. I love talking to camera. I love creating videos. I do it for myself more than anybody else. So I'll continue. Like, yes, I want to do it. And I'll be more consistent over here. That's what I say every time. But I'll genuinely be more consistent over here. Okay, bye. Whoever who's listening me yap, thank you. Thank you very much. Because why would you like to hear me? But if you do, bye. Take care. See you in the next bite.